Bull is rolling out. Bullish, bullish, bullish. What's going on? Why market is very much in bullish trend? Hello everyone, I'm Rabi Amjad. I'm gonna tell you that what would be the next level and next trend of all the commodities and currencies. Let's start with the crude oil. As you can see that yesterday I was just viewing the market and just analyzing what will be the happen in this week, and as you can see that US oil is going so much upside, and it hit like 21.15 or 20 level. So 20.84 is right now moving level and moving rate, whereas as for the bullish trend we are seeing that market is RSI shows that it is going more than 100%, and all the market including commodities and currencies are going up above 90% level. So it's time for a little bit selling, but as market is very much confusing, so we can see further buying again 21.55 level in US crude oil. Whereas talking about the gold and the XAU USD is also moving so much in high level, and yesterday it almost hit 100 bips level, more than 100 bips level upside trend. So today as you can see, the bull candle of yesterday is 1898 till 1928. It right about approx like 40 bips dollar upside, and still it's going upside, and 1947 is right now moving rate. So we will see 1957 the next target. But as you also see that in also in gold chart, RSI also shows more that it's go 100 approx 100% above, and the market is around about 100% above inside. So that is so much bullish trend and so much bullish candle you are. So it have to come 50%, it have to come down, and 50% retracement we will see now. Right, 1928 would be the next level downside, because gold already hit the 100% level of RSI. So it should be come back and should take a break. So we will see 50% retracement in market. Whereas now talking about silver, silver also hit so much high level, and more than 200 above 200 bips above it goes so much upside. Like you can see, yesterday's candle was like 22.73 till 24.45, which is so much high level, and its RSI also shows 100 moving around 100%. So it should also came down, because it's 100% RSI always suggest us to sell, that the time is to sell right now, because already market move 100% above. So it have to come back, and it have retrace approx 75%, and after 22.73 till 24.91 200 bips upside trend, we can see 100 bips downside and 100% 100 bips retracement you can see. But always silver go wherever the trend would be, wherever the trend the silver goes so much badly. So we will see again it will go downside till 22.90. But market is very much confusing, and we can't say that in this week we should go for the bullish trend or the selling trend. I am just giving you rough idea of the 50% retracement which we will see. We definitely, because market is already hit 100% above, so 100% level above in currencies and commodities. So market should have to come 50% retracement, even if the trend is still in buying position and still is a bullish trend we are seeing in the market. So the trend is so much confusing. Now let's start and discuss about the AUD USD Australian dollar. But with the Australian is moving right round about very average, and it's not go madly, because all the stock exchange market is going so much upside. Its RSI shows that it goes only 75% above, whereas its normal moving average, which it moved on daily basis. So it is not that much confusing. So we can see a little bit more buying in Australian dollar because it's moving in its own trend. And the next target would be like 71.80 or 90. We will see in the future, in this day, coming day, and in this whole week. So little bit buying also seeing on Australian dollar, and it's moving in its own trend, in its own line and row. So Australian dollar trend is not that much confusing as compared to the commodities, and currencies is moving very normal in their moving average. So it's we can see that as you can as the first day of the market is in a bull market. So you can think and you can suggest that whole week would be in bullish trend, and whole week follow the trend of bullish. But as per the RSI concern, RSI says and suggests us to sell right now because market is so much at high level and so much standing in a bull market. It's now time to sell everything, especially commodities. But commodities very much volatile, so better to stay away right now before looking at the market, the second day of market, and just suggest that to work in currency. I suggest to work in currencies and just take profit and stay away from market because it's very much confusing. So keep watching, keep liking, and keep subscribing my YouTube channel for daily basis trend and guide.